Hey everyone, Kid Rust here. Just want to kind of quickly go over some plans with you. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful spring day, so that means spring cleaning. It's early afternoon. It turned out to be a gorgeous day out there, and I just want to show you what my plans are. If you look right here, that's my workbench, and it's not really workable right now. And I kind of show you the rest of the floor. And let me kind of go out here into the rest of the barn area. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. So my plan for the next week and a half is to get organized in here, clean up. In my previous video, I talked about the rental property that my wife and I purchased. So I'm over there yet, cleaning out some of the outbuildings, and wait for the light to change here. As you can see, I got a truckload of things to go through and separate. Some of it will be converted into BTUs. I'll burn some of that in my wood stove. Some of it just needs cut up and thrown in the dumpster. Some of it can be scrapped or salvaged. Some of it's usable. So, but that's what everything, as you see in here, just a lot of. It's not all garbage. It's not all junk. It's just disorganized. Like a pile down in here. All of this. Clamps and wood clamps, pocket hole jig, and just an assortment of things. I just need to find homes for everything. That was an acquisition that I got from my neighbor. I helped her and her family out. Her husband passed away a little while ago, and she had sold her place and needed to clean out her garage. So her children took what they wanted, and after helping them, they gave me the final go through, and I could pick out all the tools that I wanted. So. Which is very nice of them. They didn't have to do that, but they did, and I'm grateful for it. So anyhow, so I just have a lot of stuff that I've been accumulating here, and I can't work like this in here. So yeah, over the next week and a half, I'm going to be cleaning up and getting organized so that I can bring you guys some more metal sculpting videos. And so yeah, as always, click the like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell. And stay tuned for other videos. I think that's it for now.